11 May 2025 is one of the ceremonial of Sakbochia for Buddhist belief. Three deep meaning. The meaning of the Buddha born, the Buddha enlightenment, and today is the day of mother's love. That's why many people join the ceremonial part of Bayon Temple. So in one of the monastery near there, so many of them dressed in the white color. Normally the nun or the lady who want to meditate and understanding deeply about the mother life, pay the feeling to the mother. What have the mother done to their life in order to be able to give birth to them, to support them. Maybe sometimes until like the whole life of them, they never enjoy. They just struggling. When they do meditation, they very deep feeling in those explanation of the monk on the life of the mother who sacrificed for their own children. That's why you see some of them faint after meditation a little bit long because they cannot stop their feeling from pity, gratitude to their own mother. How grateful they are to be born. And so that's the meaning of today. Two meaning: the Buddhist day and also the Mother Day. The Mother's Day, you should come at this period of time, 11th May.